Hi guys, sorry about that again. So anyways, I got me a new iPad, so I am kind of adjusting to it, checking it out. Um, but I have been so busy, swamped, tired, just the whole works. I have arthritis real bad, and my body just tells me, hey, I'm not doing nothing. So I'm like, okay. But anyways, I had mentioned a while back that I needed a new sewing machine. And so, if I can bring you down. Anyways, I got me a new sewing machine. It's the Singer Fashion Mate 5560. I hope I like this sucker. I don't know. But I am going to try it out and see what I like. But anyways, I went to Walmart and I got these little bunnies. They were 98 cents. I got a blue one. And then I got a little duck. And then I got a little gray. Two are for my grandkids, and then one of them's for, well, my Maggie, and then Brentley. I'm giving him the duck, and then this is for my new baby, for my grandbaby. So I got them those. And then I went to Dollar General and I got some ribbon, and they have one of these the little bunnies, which I thought were cute, and the pink polka dot, and then they have the one with the Easter eggs on them. So I have those. And then I got me some of this stuff right here. It's to do piping. If you don't know what that is, you put this inside your fabric and sew it. You can sew it around pillows or whatever you want, but that's what this is for. So I got me some of that. And then I got me some Singer needles, universal needles for the sewing machine, and some bobbins, and some more bobbins. So that was just a little haul there that I got. But anyways, I am going to open up this sewing machine. And I hope I like it. I'm so picky on my other ones. And my other one has officially gone out, so I can't use it but for parts. But anyways, it gives you, I hope I don't have to use metals. I think I can use plastic. I'm going to try it out. It gives you a little guide. And it has a little pedal, and the cord. This was on sale at Walmart. The original price was $149, and I got this for $120. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then it comes with an extension cable, which I like that. And then all the stuff that comes with it. And it comes with the case. How cool is that? That'll be nice. And there is the machine. So anyways, there it is. Metal bobbins. That's what I figured. I don't know. I'm going to try to use plastic. I really don't like the metal ones. It gave me some needles. And then, oh, how cool is this? Let me find out what this I think that's a 1/4 inch foot. Let me find out. D. So easy foot. This bonus item is not included with the machine, sold in some areas, and may be optional. Okay, well, what kind of foot is it? It's this right here. It has a little sewing guide on it. But it's not telling me. It's not telling me what it is, what that foot is for. Okay, this might be for sewing accurate seams. Okay, it might be a 1/4 inch foot. I'll have to try that out. And you just have your standard. I hope I like this machine. Standard stuff. This goes over your feed dog to do free motion. Zipper foot, your caps. Your buttonhole foot. And oh, well, ain't that crappy? You have to use these. I don't know. I might be taking this machine back. I don't know. I'm going to play with it and see. I'm just going to play with it. And I may be taking it back. But anyways, guys, this is what it is. So, I don't know how this is going to work, but I am going to work with it. So I'm going to put it over here. Where you can see me. And if I have to use metals, I guess okay. I'll have to take the others back and get metal bobbins. So now I'm going to plug this sucker in. Let's just see how this little machine works. Okay. I know some machines are different. Okay, you gotta pull it through. So, we go here. Yeah.